Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is related to Mission Karma Yogi. In one of the previous videos, I have discussed about premature retirement of government officials. So there are some rules under the law through which some of the officers can be terminated forcefully before they attain the retirement age, because those people may be either corrupt, inefficient, because ultimate aim of the civil servant is to provide welfare to the people, and when they themselves are corrupt and inefficient, they can be terminated forcefully. So on the other hand, government has launched this mission Karma Yogi. So in this session we are going to discuss what is Karma Yogi, what is the main object of this mission, and who all are covered under this mission. So let us begin. What is Mission Karma Yogi? Mission Karma Yogi, it is the national program for civil services capacity building. So the aim is to transform the capacity building in the bureaucracy through institutional and process reforms. See, generally, if it is a normal person, as the age of the person grows, the mental ability of the person may come down. But the people who are at the administration level, who are at the top level, generally what is expected is their mind should be so sharp, they have to be consistent, they have to be efficient, because those people who are in the administration, they need to deal with lot many problems, there are lot many challenges. So in order to provide quality service to the people, they always have to be dynamic in their work. So that is the reason why government thought of building capacity in the civil servants. Government thought of building skills, knowledge in the bureaucrats so that they can deliver this service properly. So that is the reason why this mission Karma Yogi has been launched. And here the aim is to transform the capacity building in the bureaucrats through institutional and process reforms. So here the term reform means it is a mechanism through which it is a mechanism to be implemented for getting better result. So to yield better result, the ultimate aim is to yield welfare of the people, right? So this is reform. Yeah. So according to the government, Mission Karma Yogi, it envisages to prepare Indian civil servants for the future by making them more creative, constructive, imaginative, innovative, proactive, professional, progressive, energetic, enabling, transparent and technology enabled. So here many adjectives have been used. So the purpose of this mission is mainly to inculcate all these innovative, energetic, all this must be present in a bureaucrat, so that he will be able to deliver highly qualitative service to the people. So it is a capacity building program for civil servants aimed at upgrading the post recruitment training mechanism of the officers and employees at all the levels. So here the term post recruitment is very much important, because only those officers who are recruited, who are in the service right now, those who are working, only those people will be coming under this mission, and it is applied to all the officers and employees at all the levels. It means all the bureaucrats, all the people who are in the administration, maybe at central level, state level or district level, all those people will be covered under this mission. So it will be delivered by setting up a digital platform called I Got Karma Yogi. So this mission has been launched through by a digital platform named I Got Karma Yogi. So this platform will act as a launch pad for NPCSCB, that is nothing but National Program for Civil Servants Capacity Building. So this NPCSCB will be governed by Prime Minister's Human Resource Council, which will also inculcate states' chief ministers, union cabinet ministers and even experts. Also, there will be a commission known as Capacity Building Commission, which will include experts in related fields and also global professionals. See here the term global professionals, it means even the professionals from all across the globe, even they will also become part of this mission. there will be a wholly owned special purpose vehicle which will govern the I God Karma Yogi platform. Here, special purpose vehicle means it is a separate body that is created for the task to be done successfully. So, it will be set up under Section 8 of the Companies Act 2013. This special purpose vehicle will be a not for profit company and will own and manage this program. Not for profit company means generally this company will not work for profit. So, the main objective is only to fulfill the object of this mission, and generally if a company is declared as a not for profit, then it will be exempted from taxes. Now let us see how will it be funded. So to cover around 46 lakh central employees, there are 46 lakh at the central level, these employees, and its sum of total 510 crores will be spent over a period of 5 years from 2020 to 2025, and the expenditure is also partly funded by multilateral assistance. John Maynard Keynes, he is the famous economist. He said, he gave a quote, "The difficulty lies not in the new ideas but in escaping from the old ones." See, Mission Karma Yogi is a very good concept. It's a new idea to inculcate ethics, value, integrity in the civil servants and to build up the capacity, knowledge, skills. So it's a very good initiative. But the thing is, the tendency of bureaucracy is generally they are resistant to change. So now the need of the hour is there must be behavioral change in the bureaucrats. So then only this becomes successful mission. So they have to be open. They have to try to learn new things so that they will be updated. They have to be dynamic. So then only they will be able to give quality service to the people, right? So this is all for the day, and I hope you all are aspiring to become civil servants, right? So once you are recruited, then you will also become part of this mission Karma Yogi. So I hope you all will serve the nation with highly quality service. So all the best. I will end this session over here. And if you like my video, then please put your thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.